Welcome once again to Thompson Smith, and today we're very pleased to offer this lovely Vauxhall Combo 1.5 75 PS 5-speed manual dynamic. Driver's side of the vehicle first. The vehicle's on 18,000 miles, it's in excellent condition. We'll come to the offside rear view. Also got rear park sensors. Just take you in now to the rear of the vehicle. So it's all by line and ready to work. Steel bulkhead. We've just got under 6 feet from the bottom of the bulkhead to the rear doors. So we'll just close it up. Just walk down the near side. You'll see security locks there on the rear door and the near side loading door. Just take you into close up with the wheels. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. Just take you now to the passenger side. You'll see the passenger side seats all in excellent condition. So we come to the near side front view. Now the vehicle was registered on the 31st of October 2021. So there's a 3-year or 60,000 mile warranty. So it comes first. Take you to the cabin itself. You see electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors as well on this one. Driver's seat, you see the seat height adjuster, driver's armrest, also got lumbar, got in great condition. Let's just jump in the vehicle. We've got auto lights. Right to the middle there, you'll see the 18,000 miles trip computer showing a very healthy 53 to the gallon at present, and the range. Also got cruise control. All stations can be adjusted from the multifunction steering wheel. We're up to the middle of the vehicle. Go into the menu. It's all DAB radio, Bluetooth. You can see there also a USB. Come down a little bit. We'll see air conditioning. As I mentioned, 5-speed manual box. Okay, we'll just come out for one last look. Now we do offer nationwide delivery. This vehicle will be serviced at purchase. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, ring myself Tom. I am the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.